The new Save Club funnel, it's been a game changer for a lot of people in my downline, a lot of people that have joined Save Club underneath somebody that's not a leader or someone that's in a group where they can, daily or whenever they want to just log into something and ask questions, and mostly about marketing, how to get views, how to get clicks, how to get people to pre-enroll and sign up. That's important when you're an affiliate. It's a whole spiel. All right, that's your end game. That's your final destination. You just want people to watch a short little video. And if they want to sign up underneath you. You can make some of this and you can spend some of that and buy some crazy things to put on your walls. How's that sound? Okay. Now, I'm going to tell you about the funnel right now. And this is going to be easy because I have an appointment. I just realized as I started this video, I'm live on a Zoom in about a couple minutes. So I'm going to shrink up and show you the link. SaveClubFunnels.com. Will you please go there right now and just watch that video and look at the website? Because for $25 you can have the same video, the same website. This funnel system for $25 has signed up over 70 people. 70 people already in Save Club and put over $1,200 cash in my pocket. And that comes every month because it's recurring. I have no doubt by next month I'm going to have $2,000, $3,000, $4,000, $5,000, $6,000 coming in per month. Probably. Definitely, maybe, kinda, because of SaveClubFunnels.com. Okay, now results, are they typical? Can I guarantee you make a penny or $1 million in one penny? No, I can't. But if you follow what I do and join my group, join my system, and get that funnel system, I'm going to have you come and join our 2 private groups. And it doesn't matter if you've joined Save Club or not. This is going to help you join a team instead of just somebody. Okay, there's a lot of power into that. SaveClubFunnels.com. Click that link, and that's it. And if you have any questions, Cory at CoryDraper.com. I'm not shy. I'll definitely email you back. Okay, kids? All right, thanks for your time. I got a live Zoom I got to go host right now, and I'll be back. So SaveClubFunnels.com. Thanks, guys. We'll talk to you later. Bye.